All right, hello and welcome back. So today we're going to work on the area that I have like a little clearing over on, over there, close to where my daughter's bunkie. We're gonna work on some leading trees and a bunch of stuff there that I want to take care of. When I cleared it originally, I just kind of pushed the top layer of like whatever the organic top layer. I just kind of pushed that up off to the side and moved a little bit around, but it's kind of all in the way. So today I'm gonna get the tractor out. So as you can see, this is where I keep my my tractor, and I haven't started it yet this year, so this will be the first start. So hopefully it fires up for me. And then I'm also going to hook up my I don't know if you see it there, my grapple. So I have the bucket on right now, but I'm gonna get the grapple on, and then that way I can grab at the mounds of organic material and roots and stuff, move things around a bit better, and then I can use the tractor also to pull some of those trees that are leaning and hanging, instead of trying to use the come along or do it by hand or anything. So anyway, this is without this tractor, I mean, this whole driveway is an impossible job. So it's an invaluable tool up here, and I make really good use out of it. So let's hope she fires up. so I got the quick attach system is pretty awesome. Not too difficult to get the top thing hooked up, and then clip the clamps down or whatever, and get hooked up. So now I just gotta hook up the hose, but I had to shut it off to take pressure out of the lines. And then the other thing I've heard to do is you just kind of like wiggle this around a bit, and that helps release the any pressure that's built up in the line from the motor running. And now I just got to hook it up. So I've got these two pipes here that connect into these two cables there. So in theory, it's straightforward. Be honest, I've only done this once before. I hooked this up. You know, I think it was hooked up when I got it, so I had to unhook it and put the bucket on, and I've been mostly using the bucket. I did hook it up once to do some rock work. There's some big rocks that I wanted to grab with it instead of having to hand maneuver them onto the bucket to get them in. And then that was it. And then I put the bucket back on. I've been doing, like, you know, dirt and stuff mostly, and aggregate and that sort of thing. But now it's a good time to get this on to deal with some of that material up there. And what I found the first time that I did this was that getting the connector on the side there was quite difficult. It's very tight against the side, so it's hard to kind of maneuver it. So it could just be that, you know, I'm a total noob and don't know what the heck I'm doing here. But anyway, let's see how it goes this time. That wasn't so bad. But if I remember correctly, it was taking it off that was the harder part, because you can't get your fingers in there very easily. But anyway, let's see if it's working. right, I think that's as much as I'm going to do for now. I pulled up the trees, threw them over there. Just going to leave that one for now to peel them off if I'm going to keep them, or I haven't quite decided yet. But anyway, it's obviously not done, obviously not perfect, but the idea is to be able to get through here with like a side-by-side, maybe pulling a trailer. I hit this big rock here on the way. I got the one flat one on top, which is really great actually. I need a spot for that where I need it, but I'm not sure. This one seems pretty big. I didn't bother digging around the sides of it yet, but I might do that just to see how far it goes. It's on the uphill side and kind of not in a great spot, so it's not horrible though. I could just fill in maybe over here a bit more so that it levels this part off and then it comes down. It's not too bad if I do that, but anyway, for now it's not horrible either. And this area here, a lot of organic stuff, but could probably bring an axe down and cut off some of these roots, and then just sort of flatten that out a bit more too at some point. But anyway, it's now connected to the other part of the path that we started, and this brings us down to the bunkie spot. This area here is where we're thinking to build a little bunkie. Not a bad view of the Great Valley. Water level's really high still. Anyway, it's getting late in the day now. It's supposed to start raining this evening. It was snowing on and off throughout the day there, but it's going to start cooling off too, and rain and or snow, and then getting pretty chilly tonight. I was going to have a fire back at the camp tonight, but if it's windy and cold, I might not. But anyway, I doubt I'll do anything more today, but if I do, then we'll see you there. If I don't, then this is it. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy this this series focused on the bunkie build. Callius bunkie, I should say. So you'll be seeing more of her. As I'm not going to do much of the project without her. It's all really her project, so I'm just going to help out and go from there. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.